Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today I want to talk about something very useful if you are building website or helping others with marketing. We are looking at two tools, GoHighLevel and the Unbounce, and asking which one is the better landing page builder in 2025. So that's what we are going to explore together. And I will share the most recent information. And by the way, don't forget to check the description below for official links and any updated information there. Alright, so let's get started. Both tools help you to make landing pages, but they are quite different in how they do it. Unbounce is focused on just helping you to build landing pages that convert well. So if you want a page that looks good, load fast, and you can test two versions to see which one works better. Unbounce is strong there. It's known for letting you drag and drop elements to build pages, and it even lets you the A/B testing. And with the A/B testing, you can easily see what gets more click and sign up. So it's been around since 2009, based in Canada, and has been improving its smart tools, even using AI to help you create and optimize pages. Now let's talk about GoHighLevel. So on the other hand, this is more like an all-in-one platform or tool that is great for agencies or small businesses who want more than just pages. It includes your landing pages, sure, but it also brings in email and SMS follow-up, a CRM to store your lead, survey, and calendar for booking, even calling feature. So you can capture a lead on your page and then do all your follow-up in the same place. When it comes to value, Unbounce gives you a focus tool for great landing pages, and other side GoHighLevel gives you more feature for a little more price, and it often lets agencies scale without seat or domain limit. Unbounce can cost more as you grow since you pay per user or domain. Other side, GoHighLevel start at the $97 per month, and their agency plan gives you a lot more flexibility. So how do you pick? If you want a quick, easy, and powerful way to make high converting landing pages, then Unbounce is a good choice for you. But if you also want to manage your lead, automate follow-up, book appointment, do messaging, then GoHighLevel might be a better match. So it gives you more things inside one platform. So in practice, some professionals even use both, Unbounce for its conversational focused landing pages and GoHighLevel to nurture and manage those leads across the channels. So in summary, if your top goal is top-notch landing page, go with Unbounce. If you want a full suite for capturing and managing leads in one tool, GoHighLevel is worth it. And of course, always check the description for links and updated information because prices and plan can be changes. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you. If this did, then please like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.